Alright, today's the 29th and this is our first Scrum meeting. So we're going to talk about what do we need to do and what are the problems and what are we going to do before the next Scrum meeting. So this is our very first one and we're going to do a planning step on what needs to get done. For the next, hopefully, few days, hopefully have another one by either the 31st or the start of next month. I don't even know if it's this month. So first question would be, what have we already done? And then that'd be just setting up for the assignment, submitting the first part of the assignment, but now to the sprint. So we've really got a backlog, and I think we've really prioritized which two we're going to do for the sprint, and then all we need to do is make a start on it.
Alright, so I reckon for the first two user stories which we should focus on for the sprint is this one here. So as a user, I want to be able to search so that I can find appropriate articles about the methodologies, and the other user story which we should focus on is creating the user interface. And I reckon for the first user story for searching for methodologies, all three of us will need to work on it since we do not have much background with coding with databases.
Yeah, so like Sean said, three of us would need to be working on the search user story. Hopefully we should be able to do that this sprint, because like Sean said, it is a first time for all of us to do this new database system, and so three of us should be working on that. And for the user interface, hopefully just one of us would be able to do that since it is fairly simple and most of us are decent coders. We should be able to do that just with one person, and yeah, and hopefully we should be right this whole sprint. So
I think it'll be more on the. So obviously we need to do the UI one first, right?
yeah,
And then so it'll be 3 people working on search, and maybe 2 on the UI.
maybe two, yeah,
And
we'll
then,
see, yeah.
and then like while the research is doing for the search and like how to code it, we'll probably have to actually get the UI running. And then for search, the first thing we'll have to do is put the articles in the database.
Yeah.
Before we even try search,
Yeah,
we have to get the articles into our software, right?
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I think the search might take a bit longer than we planned.
Maybe,
We
yeah.
might have to go into the next
Takes
sprint as well.
Yeah.
I reckon we might have to end up breaking that into getting the articles on the database and then search.
Searching.
Which database obviously comes first because we can't
database.
search nothing, right? So that's one other problem we'll be facing. Just time, how long that search will take.
Yeah.
But the UI I don't think will be too bad. It'll be pretty straightforward.
Perfect.
We won't have any amazing UI.
Yeah,
It's just a simple one.
simple, yeah.
Alright, so we got what we need to do.
Yep.
Basically.
So
For the
yeah.
next week. So when's the next Scrum meeting? Maybe this weekend. So it's a Wednesday today. Do you guys want to do it on Sunday or Saturday?
Saturday, yeah.
Well, I can't do Sundays since I'm working.
Yeah. So I guess Saturday. I'm more free on Saturday. Yeah.
Yeah, Saturday's the next one.
Okay. So
Okay,
by
yeah.
then, hopefully, we can try and get a start. Maybe do a little bit of research into databases and all that.
And also we'll have a next. Cause this is our first Scrum meeting. So next one we'll probably have a board with post-it notes on all our Scrums and be a bit more prepared.
Yeah.
We just want to get the first one at hand and get a start to it.
Okay.
Alright.
That's fine.
That's it.